Oh wow. This place is awesome.
It is, but I don't think this is the trail.
This place is really, really cool.
We're totally not on a trail.
Well, the trail is right somewhere. I don't know, we're lost. So, no long intro today with all the driving and the music and stuff. Because we decided, I think, what this channel is going to be. Morning.
Stop.
It's basically going to be like all this stuff we do.
It's gonna be a mess.
Yeah, it's going to be a bunch of different things like covers, probably not every week, probably like once a year. Where
Once a year.
where we I dabble in guitar, and so does she. She's beginning to dabble more in guitar.
Dabble in guitar. Shut the hell up.
And
Do more than dabble in guitar.
and we're going to do probably once in a while just do like I'll pick a song and she'll pick a song and then we'll both we'll play them together and then upload them or whatever. And like she's a better rock climber, but I'm getting into it and we're gonna do that stuff, jiu-jitsu and the hikes that we did in our other video and stuff like that. And also we're gonna be doing like jet skiing and wakeboarding and stuff like that whenever we do that stuff. So
Gang, gang.
yeah, it's gonna be cool, hopefully. And one thing I kind of left out that I forgot was that we have our own separate channels. There's going to be more of like the girly things, like dance and what else? I don't know what you do.
I don't know. Probably like dance, gymnastics, rock climbing, a lot of water sports, probably some snowboarding and stuff. I don't know, just adventures.
And then mine would be more like the
Right looks narrower.
Mine would be more like the music stuff, like guitar
And man stuff, whatever they do.
Ooh, this looks cool. This place is actually beautiful.
It is really cool. I'm glad we switched to like this
Yeah,
trail better.
me too. At first we were at Rocky Point, Pine something something.
No, this is Rocky Point Pine Bearing.
No, the other place is.
Oh,
No, the other place is Rocky
this
Point.
is Rocky Point Bike Trail.
No, this is Prosser or something or other.
Small one?
No, that one kind of goes uphill. I like uphill.
Left or right or possibly straight.
Let's go straight. Because this is the most,
Sketchy one?
yeah.
Yeah.
You go first though, because I'm not trying to die today.
Okay.
Oh wow. This place is awesome.
It is, but I don't think this is the trail.
This place is really, really cool.
We're totally not on a trail.
Well, the trail is right somewhere. I don't know, we're lost. Oh wow. Some farmland.
Is there a need to film this?
No. Can I have my hat?
No.
You're not faster than me. I
But
feel like
you're
we're walking into the evil forest from whatever.
Wizard of Oz.
Yeah, whatever Disney movie that is.
Wizard of Oz, and it's not Disney.
I'm pretty sure it's Disney. I know more about Disney than you.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You thought I could show you the world was from The Little Mermaid.
I didn't think that. Joe Rogan thought that. I just agreed with him. Joe Rogan and Donald Cerrone. Which, let's be real, if you disagree with Donald Cerrone, you don't want to disagree with Donald Cerrone.
I mean, you could disagree with him all you want. You just can't be next to him when you disagree with him.
Right. He's one of the last people I ever want to piss off. These things are kind of tall.
I have gone high enough. I like bouldering better. So maybe there is like a fully finished one somewhere. I could so live in a tree peak. I don't need that much space. There's just plenty of space for me. You've been bamboozled.
Wow.